Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Assalamualaikum. Hamdan wa syukran lillah. Salatan wa salaman ala Rasulillah wa ala alihi wa sahbihi ajmain. Amal ba'd. The honorable juries and all of my beloved friends, praise be to Allah, the Almighty, who has bestowed upon us the blessing of faith, Islam, and the opportunity to gather on this auspicious day. May peace and blessings be upon to our beloved Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, his family, his companions, and all of us as his followers. Distinguished audience, the Quran is the holy book of Islam. It contains all the knowledge that humanity needs, from faith and worship in social interactions, and inspiring stories from the prophets and the messengers. Therefore, it is incumbent for us to strive our utmost to make the Quran as our daily life. Therefore, it is incumbent for us to strive our utmost to make the Quran the guiding principle of our daily life. A Quranic generation is one that takes the Quran as its source of inspiration and motivation in life. They are a generation with noble character, intelligence, creativity, and good morals. A generation that is not only intellectually capable but also has strong faith and piety. However, in today's digital age, the challenge of shaping a Quranic generation is growing. One of the biggest challenges is the use of gadgets and media. Technology, if not used properly, can distance us from the values of the Quran. As Muslims, we have a role model in the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon to him, who is described as a person with noble character, as stated in the Quran Surah Al-Qalam verse 4. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Wa innaka la'ala khuluqin adim. And indeed, you are of a great moral character. So, what's the Prophet Muhammad's character? Once Aisha asked about the Prophet Muhammad's character, and she replied, his character is the Quran. How can we explain this? Imam An-Nawawi, in his commentary on Sahih Muslim, explained that having a Quranic character means implementing the teachings of the Quran, adhering to its laws and limits, behaving according to the ethics within it, taking lessons from its parable and stories, pondering and understanding its deep meanings, and reciting it properly. So, how can we shaping Quranic generations? These are several things we can do, including first, instilling a love for the Quran from a young age. Starting in the womb, children should be frequently exposed to the recitation of the Quran. Second, from an early age, teach children to know and love the Quran. How? Start by introducing the Arabic language. Encourage them to memorize short surahs, listen to recitation, and hear stories of the Quran. Second, making the Quran a part of daily life. Make it a habit to read the Quran every day, both individually and as a family. Apply the values of the Quran in daily life. For the example, when a teenager feels confused about their future, teach them to ponder the verses about the purpose of the human life. Or when a teenager is caught up in a bad company, remind them of the Quranic warnings against bad influence. 3. Providing quality religious education. Ensure that children receive a good religious education, both at home and at school. Involve them in religious activities, such as study circles, recitations, and religious competitions. Third, providing quality religious education. Ensure that children receive a good religious education, both at home and at school. Involve them in religious activities, such as study circles, recitation, and religious competitions. Fourth, being a good example. As parents, teachers, or community leader, we must be good examples for our children. Show them how to apply the values of the Quran in daily life. For example, if we want our children to be honest, we must be honest to ourselves. Fifth, using gadgets or social media wisely. Use Quran learning apps. Many apps offer features for memorizing the Quran, listening to its recitations, or learning tajweed. By using these apps, young people can learn the Quran anytime and anywhere. Follow online lectures. Social media and video platforms can be used to follow Islamic lectures by prominent scholars. This will increase religious knowledge and strengthen faith. Share positive Islamic content. Create interesting and inspiring Islamic content, such as motivational quotes, infography about Islamic values, or religious songs covers, and share them on social media. Distinguished audience, the Quran is not only provide guidance on faith and worship, but also offering solutions to various problems faced by younger generations. For example, the Quran teaches us to be patient in facing the difficulties, to be grateful for Allah's blessings, and to always do good to others. These values are highly relevant to the issues often faced by teenagers today, such as specific, such as academic pressure, peer pressure, and emotional problems. Gadgets and social media can also be useful tools if used to spread goodness and acquire knowledge. Let us all commit to making the Quran the guiding principle of our daily life and to instilling the values of the Quran in our society. I am Syahrul Mubarak from Madrasah Aliyah Negeri 3 Banyumas. Thank you very much for your attention. I appreciate your time and hope that we can take these lessons to heart. May Allah always bless all of our efforts. Wallahu mu- wallahu mu- wallahu muwafiq al aqwamit thoriq. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.